So here we are again, the water tower in my backyard. The last video I posted about this was showing off the phenomenon known as the leaking water tower. Well, this past summer they fixed the problem and started welding this long pipe that goes down the side here. And it's kind of defeating the purpose, because instead of it just raining from the sky, it comes straight down and hits the ground with full force. It's the first time I've come back here to check this out, so we're going to learn something new today. How about that? Still gushes out. And I guess it empties into this little creek bed that's back here. That's still a lot of water. According to the Weather Channel, it is currently 33 degrees in Greenbrier. I'm hoping that one day soon we can get out here and catch it when it freezes. That's when it's truly a sight to see.